can't tell you how good it feels to be here tonight. I'm at a place called Pontymoile, which is about 10 minutes from where I live in Cumbraen, so it's within the Cumbraen 25 target. It's been about 6 weeks since my last camp, so I'm really looking forward to this. It's not the best place to park. I can't park in the car park for the basin, Pontymoile basin, because they lock the gates at 4:30. So I'm parked out on the street, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm going to blow up the kayak and take it out for a quick spin, and I will show you exactly where I am. I did some drone footage about 3 months ago here, so I'll pop some of that up as well for you. Back now. Burgers for tea tonight. Quite looking forward to them. About 8 minutes away.
So pure, the souls they're taking, so cruel and so unfair. You've got no sleeping. You've got no sleeping. the radiator, bones broken on the ground. I wonder if God was sleeping. I wonder if God was sleeping. I wonder if God was sleeping. I wonder if God was sleeping.
So tonight's menu is cheeseburgers. We're going to do a double burger with cheese in the middle. One of my favourites. Kind of wish I bought the bigger frying pan now because I wanted two cheeseburgers. Doing one at a time, I think. Can't beat a great burger after the night kayaking. Great. There we are. So I've put the bed out now. Yeah, it goes up against the edge quite well. So I guess the proof will be in the sleeping light. One downside to it, I could do with a little bit more headroom, but that's okay. I can live with that for now. Most of the time, when the bed's out or I'm in the van, it's going to be for sleeping anyway. I tend to sit on the step quite a bit, so it's not a major issue. But there's still room for me to use my camping stove. Got a little bit of room here, put shoes on and so on. So yeah, it's not too bad. Got a little shelf there as well. So it's coming on nicely. It's not finished by any means. Might try and get the door panels on this weekend on Sunday. I've carpeted the one. I've got the big one to do. I might put either some kind of shelving on it, or maybe some hooks for for when I'm cooking. Probably a shelf, I would think. I don't really want hooks because if I'm putting oily stuff up on it, it's just going to stain the carpet, which I don't really want. And then once that's done, it's a case of carpeting the sides. So that'll be good to get that done. Strangely enough, when I got the van, only one of the sides had a panel on it. So I'm going to see if maybe I can duplicate it on the other side, and then put the panel up as well as carpeting around it. So yeah, I'll have to see how that goes. But it's getting there. it's certainly getting there, which is good, and I'm getting used to it now, which is something that I was really looking forward to. I've also got the obligatory fairy lights up. That should give off quite a bit of light. I mean, that is the only thing light in the van at the moment, and I'm quite surprised by them. So the main reason for not camping recently is because I was in hospital about 5 weeks ago, and I had a bout of cellulitis in the leg, which is caused through, it's like an infection basically. In my case, it's the leg swells up, kind of goes scaly, very red, itchy, very hot. I've had it before. Last time I had it, I had sepsis with it. It went septic. So they admitted me into hospital. I was in for 5 days, I think. And then I had a course of antibiotics for 10 further days, which meant that I was off work for 2 weeks. So that kind of stressed me out a little bit, because obviously when you're on the sick, you don't get as much pay as you're used to. I realise that in the UK we're a lot luckier than some countries, but you still kind of worry about how you're going to cope with, the lack of funds coming in, compared to if you're on long-term sick. So that kind of put a dampener on things for me. Right, so it's 10:20. It's been quite enjoyable. Had a nice time kayaking, which you would have seen the video of, and had burgers for tea, which is always good. So I'm just going to chill out now. 10:20, so I'm going to watch a bit of YouTube before settling down for the night. Morning. 6:15. Not a bad night's sleep on our, but not bad. So I'm going to get up, have a cup of coffee, and then sort of van out. So I'm all packed up. I've suddenly realised that the more you sort your van out and the more stuff you buy for it, the longer it takes to pack everything up in the morning. But I'm all packed up. Everything is secure, and I'm going to make my way home now. So I really enjoyed last night. It was nice to get the little kayak out and have a couple of hours on the canal, and then cut some tea and just chill out. And it was good. I enjoyed it. It wasn't a perfect night out, but that'll come with time. I mean, the more I get used to Didi and used to sleeping here, the better the camps will get. So I'm looking forward to the next one now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and a comment, and if you subscribe, you'll see all the other videos that I'll be making in the future. You take care. Bye now.